My name is Brianna Campos, and I'm a part of the National Honor Society at Carrizo Springs High School. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper angel ornament for your Christmas tree. All you're going to need is a ruler, a pair of scissors, 2 9x9 centimeters pieces of paper, any color you like, a glue stick, a piece of string. This is to hang your ornament. It can really be any kind of string you like. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to want to fold your paper down. Next, you're going to want to flip it back up to where it's like this. And you're going to want to fold this piece down. You're going to want to fold it halfway. So once that is folded halfway, you're going to want to fold it halfway one more time. Okay, once you have folded your paper one last time, you're going to want to do the same exact process on the other side. Okay, so once it is folded all on both sides, it should look something like this. So now what you're going to want to do is open your piece of paper and start from one side, and I'm gonna go forward, backward, forward, backward, and I'm folding the paper, folding forward, then I'm folding backwards, all the way till I get to the bottom. And then I should have something like this. And now you're going to want to repeat the process to the other piece of paper. Okay, so once you have both papers done, you're going to want to take one piece of paper, and about a third of the way, you're going to want to fold the paper. It should look something like this. And you're going to want to do the exact same thing to the other side, but you're going to want to fold the opposite way, so this way. So now you're going to want to take your glue stick, and you're going to want to glue the opposite side the paper is folded. Okay, after that is done, you're going to want to put the pieces together and press on them so that they can stick. So now your piece of paper should look like this. After that is done, you're going to want to take your glue stick, and you're going to want to glue right here and right here. And now you should have something like this. Okay, after that is done, you're going to want to take a small piece of paper and cut it into a circle. I went ahead and traced the bottom of my glue to make this shape. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your piece of paper and fold a little piece down from the bottom of the head. And this small piece that we folded is where we're going to put glue. So after you have glued your head to your body, you're going to want to fold a small piece of the top of the head downwards. And then you're going to want to take your scissors and make a small cut down the middle. About that much is fine. And then you're going to attach your string. Just like this, and then make a small knot at the top. Okay, and now here is the finished product. It is a little angel. You can hang it on your tree. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our National Honor Society YouTube channel, and make sure to make every day a great day.